Hi, I'm Dylan Raihori, instructor here at Lakeland College for the Steamfitter-pipefitter program. Here, you're not just any student. Our class sizes allow instructors and staff to get to know you and help personalize your experience. We instructors have been where you are. Our passion for teaching in the trade is what makes this program stand out. Here at Lakeland College, we offer a 4-year apprenticeship program. Each year you'll have 8 weeks spent with us in the classroom and a minimum of 1,560 hours of on-the-job training. In a typical day, a steamfitter pipefitter can be involved in all levels of construction, from reading blueprints and construction plans, making drawings, fabricate piping. This could involve threading, cutting, weld prepping, soldering, depending on the material being used, whether it's plastic, steel, copper, fiberglass. Installing those fabricated sections and piping supports, testing the integrity of the system, and once the system's running, performing maintenance on the system. This could be anywhere from commercial heating systems, oil refineries, to nuclear power plants. Career paths for the trade can be anything from working on the tools, supervision roles, quality control, project planning, construction management, or even owning your own company. Interested in being a steamfitter pipefitter? You'll get your hands-on training here at Lakeland.